Welcome to Rhythm Radio, a Le Sommelier Club initiative.
Let's start today's broadcast with the quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wine of the Week. It's Ajit T.S. of HSM here. On this week, we are going to chew over Dom Perignon. Dom Perignon is a vintage champagne named after the 17th century Benedictine monk who has one of the pioneers for champagne wine. It is made of 16% of Chardonnay and 14% of Pinot Noir. You will never come across non-vintage Dom Perignon of each bottle contains grapes only from the same year. The wine are not produced during weak or medical harvest year, so they have instant value and investment. It is a perfect match with caviar, cured pork, calm, etc. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, myself Jobit. Welcome back to Beer of the Week. Today we are going to discuss about the beer called Guinness, which is a dark dry stout beer from 12th Dublin of Ireland. It is found in 1759 by Arthur Guinness, and now it is brewed in 17 countries across the world. In 2011, the sale of this beer is 850 million liters. It is a tangy flavored beer with 4.2% of alcohol by volume. By consuming 12 ounces of Guinness, you can get 125 calories. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. We will see next week, same day, same time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is me Sijo. Welcome back to Cocktail of the Week. The cocktail that selected for this week is Mai Tai. Mai Tai is made by using shaking method. Highball glass is used for serving. The ingredients required for making are white rum 160 ml, dark rum 15 ml, orange curacao 20 ml, fresh lime juice 20 ml, orgeat syrup 15 ml and ice cubes 3 cubes. The method of preparation is shake all the ingredients except the dark rum together in a cocktail shaker with ice cubes. Strain into the glass and float the dark rum on the top. We can garnish with lime wheel and mint spring and also place a straw in the glass. Thank you for listening and have a great day.
Welcome back to Quiz of the Week. Topic of the week is tequila. Myself, Jivin Jose. First one, where does tequila get its name? Second, how is tequila consumed in Mexico? Third, which kind of wood is usually used for the barrels used when aging tequila? Fourth, which color is not typically for tequila? Fifth, what type of tequila does not leave a hangover sensation? Hope all are attending the quiz. Answer of the previous quiz are the following. Where is beer brand Cascade made? Australia. Second, what is the world's biggest beer brand? Snow. Third, which nation is the biggest consumer of Guinness? UK. Fourth, from which country does Corona beer originated? Mexico. What city is the world's biggest beer festival held? Munich, Germany. Thank you for everyone for attending the quiz.
Thank you for spending some time with Rhythm.